The 2025 Cordless Pool Vacuum delivers a remarkable cleaning performance with its strong suction power, making it an excellent choice for both in-ground and above-ground pools. Its adjustable telescopic aluminum pole extends from 20 inches to 69 inches, allowing for comfortable and efficient cleaning without the need for bending or straining. With two interchangeable brush heads, this pool vacuum efficiently tackles both flat surfaces and hard-to-reach corners, providing a comprehensive cleaning solution. The large, reusable filter bag is designed to capture a wide range of debris, reducing the frequency of emptying and ensuring thorough cleaning with ease. Thanks to its long-lasting battery, the vacuum offers uninterrupted cleaning sessions, and its waterproof design ensures durability and quiet operation. The product is backed by a 1-year warranty and excellent customer service, providing peace of mind and support for any questions or issues that may arise.